Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create another account on Instagram. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over, open your Instagram and log into your existing account. And then you're going to click on profile here at the bottom right. After that, you're going to click on the three horizontal lines at the top right. You will be redirected to settings and activity. Here, you're going to scroll down to the bottom and within the section of login, you'll be able to see an option that would say add account. Click on it and you'll be able to see two options. One is log into existing account and the other is create new account. So you're going to click on create new account and then you'll be taken over to an interface where they'll ask you to create a username. So they're going to suggest you some. You can either simply go with the one they suggested or you can type in your own. Once selected, you can click on next. And then they're going to say to create a new Instagram account in this account center, you're going to allow all of this. So make sure you read all of the terms. And then you can either use mobile number or email address as well. But if you wish to add another account within the existing account center, you got to click on allow and continue. Here, you got to agree to Instagram's privacy and policy, also the cookies policy. Click on I agree. And then they're going to ask you to set a profile picture. If you don't want to do that right now, you can simply click on skip. And just like that, you can create another account on Instagram. So if you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.